Welcome to Project Impossible, where I moved this cabin to this place. So the story went like this. I decided that I wanted to build a small sauna from scrap wood before hunting season. Then I got a call and this project came up. So this cabin will be torn down and it's almost 200 years old. You know, these logs, they are already existing. So these logs are in really good condition and I can build anything from it. So that got me really excited. Then I decided that I wanted to have a guest house. So the second cabin came quite naturally. And yeah, why is this project impossible? Because this all needs to be done before hunting season. Because I have big plans for this hunting season. So I'm honestly I'm not sure if I can do it, but that's what I like most about projects like these. So we'll see. I just put in the work every day and see where it ends. The nice thing about this is that all these logs, they are already fit on each other. So the building should go pretty smoothly. I have a design in my mind and that's what I'm gonna show you right now. I prepared everything with the tractor and made it nice and level. I got the same dimensions as I used for the cabin. The cabin is over there, I will show you. There's the cabin, and the idea is to make this cabin exactly the same but in reverse. So the porch will be 2 by 6 meters, same as with my cabin. Then I will divide the cabin, which is 4 by 6 meters, into 2 compartments, right in the middle, like so. Then this will be the guest room, and this will be the sauna. And then I take a little chunk of the sauna, and that will be my washing room. Here will be the water heater. Here will be the sauna stove against the inner wall, so it heats up the guest room. And that's basically the idea. I numbered all the logs, so I know exactly what I am doing when reassembling. This is what the inside looks like. It's a room, I think it is 6 by 6. Yeah. Well, you will not believe the kind of trash I took out of here. I'm happy that the ceiling didn't went down and I sank down to the basement a couple of times. But the logs are in really good shape, as you can see here. Really nice, thick logs. You can see here that there's a giant hole in the roof. But surprisingly, all the logs have held up, and look at these logs, they are perfect. So here is the other room. This is 4 by 4. Just disassemble them and build them up again in the shape I want. So you can see that it is all within, let's say, 15 meters from the cabin. And yeah, this will be a bigger project than I initially thought. I thought make a small sauna quick. But you know, I cannot let these beautiful logs go to waste and let this opportunity pass. So we're going for it, we're going hard. And yeah, I hope to finish this within 1 month. But we will see how it goes, and I will keep you updated.